Hey tubers, how you going? Again, I'm in the shed. Oh, I've finally managed to locate this drone and recover it out of the pond at Woolshed Falls. It was about 7, maybe 8 metres down. It's been in the water for roughly 2 weeks. So I'm just going to bite the bullet. I'm going to chuck a battery in it and see if it'll fire up. Either that or the blue smoke will escape. So fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Oh! Oh, smoke escaping. Alright, so we've got one dead motor. It's a bit of a pity, but it's not the one I was expecting to. I'll just flick that button off. I'll whack it back in again. If you watch this motor, where are we? This one here. See if the smoke comes out. Holy shit. Okay, so there's no smoke escaping. Let's turn the remote on and see if it'll connect. Well, the remote control is connected and the camera won't connect because it's not on there. So, will anything turn? What do we got? Smart. On angle. Alright, so the motors won't fire up. But it connects and it's sort of doing what it should. But yeah, we're missing a few vital parts, I think, so we'll just turn that off. And it doesn't want to turn off with the switch either, so pull the battery. Okay. Oh, yeah, I smell a little bit of electrical. There's nothing really coming out of the where the electronics, which are all sleeping in here. Yeah, that motor's burnt out. That one smells alright. So those other 3 motors don't smell like they've burned out, but it might have burned out the motor controllers. But it's a start, and this thing will fly again. So tubers, have a great day, great Easter, what's left of it, and be safe. Catch us next time.